Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest, Frank, has a question for us. What's up, Frank?
Hi, Gina. Can you make cookies in the toaster oven?
That's a good question. Let's find out. So here I've prepared some cookie dough. And here is an aluminum tent. Now let's put the cookie dough into the oven. So the tent prevents the cookie from burning on the outside. Woo! Let's see how it looks. So now we take the tent off. I think it needs a little bit more time. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, we're getting there.
Come on!
So now I'm going to take the tent off and let it finish. Let's see how it looks. Ooh. Okay. Oh no. Just let this cool here for a couple minutes. We did it! I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today. Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small foods we can make in our small oven. See you next time!